Hello friends, welcome back to Navigator Neha. Summer is already here and during this season we always crave for some cool drinks to hydrate our body. Nothing says summer better than an afternoon spent with a delicious Indian summer drink that helps us to cool down. These homemade summer drinks are delicious, easy to make and require very few ingredients. Let us refresh and replenish our body with some of the best summer drinks in order to beat the heat. I suggest a bunch of summer drinks that you must not miss out on. So let's get started. Aam panna is made with raw mangoes. This refreshing summer drink is prepared using mango pulp and blended with cumin, jeera and mint leaves. This drink does not only keep you refreshed but also energized through sunny days. Muskmelon reduces heat in the body. It is high in fiber, antioxidant and helps in controlling blood pressure. A sip of this miracle drink and you feel refreshed. This natural, chemical free and delicious health drink not only quenches your thirst but also is fat free and great for your body. Jaljeera is magical drink to savor in this hot summer. It also keeps the body cool and gives an early relief from dehydration. Nimbu Pani is a perfect heat stroke reliever, and this drink will just take 2 minutes for you to make it and drink it. Your body will automatically experience a change. As every fruits provide many nutritional values, the orange juice also have many benefits. The intake of juice delivers vitamins and high calories. Orange juice not only keeps you healthy but also gives the shining complexion to the skin. Daily having of the orange strengthen your immunity power too. Faluda is a famous sweet beverage. It is flavored with ingredients such as milk, rose syrup, jelly, ice cream, sabja seeds, and vermicelli. Faluda has many health benefits and is a great source of nutrients. Buttermilk or masala chash is a delicious combination of curd, water, and some masalas which you can serve in summers with your meals. Chash helps in reducing sunstroke and acts as a refreshing cooling agent. Masala chash is a mild spicy drink with mint leaves and acts as a super tasty refreshing quencher during summer. One of the best summer fruits is watermelon, and what's even better is its juice. It is super refreshing and its hydrating properties help keep your body hydrated and fresh. This dark green colored drink is made out of khaskhas or poppy seeds. This is also available in concentrate form in bottles. You have to just add water and ice and it is ready to drink. The taste is sweet. On a hot summer's day, a tall glass of rose sharbat can really cool you off. Another nice way to have it is in a glass of cold milk. Sattu Sharbat is one specialty from Bihar that keeps the body cool even during the sunniest day. It is made with sattu flour, sugar, lemon, salt, and water. You can make it either with lemon, salt, or sugar. That's all it needs. It is not only refreshing but also filling. Sol curry is an Indian beverage which is usually consumed right after a meal. People of the Konkani region in India widely prefer this drink that is usually made from coconut milk and kokum and is known for its digestive properties. The popular Indian juice to quench your thirst and give you an energy. It has digestive properties, thirst quenching and keeps the body hydrated. What's better than the Punjabi lassi? This smooth and creamy yogurt based refreshment is considered to be an amazing summer cooler. Some variations are mango lassi, banana lassi, kesar pista lassi, rose lassi, sweet lassi, etc. This juice has many benefits. Vitamin C, iron and copper are good source you to gain after drinking the juice. If you have digestion problem, skin pigmentation, pimple, constipation, then you can be cured by consuming this juice. Thandai is a very famous North Indian drink during the colorful festival of India, that is Holi. The word itself means a cool drink. It is a drink which celebrates the coming of spring, which will be followed by summer. There are some other beverages you can drink during this quarantine period, like cold coffee, everyone's favorite amras, cold cocoa. Right now, the trending recipe is Dalgona coffee, kokum juice, Punekar's favorite drink that is Mastani, kids' favorite that is chocolate milkshake, creamy and sweet beverage that is Piyush, and cool summer drink that is soft sharbat. So, last but not the least is golden milk. During this lockdown period, we have to keep our immunity stronger. Turmeric has anti inflammatory, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties. So, intaking a pinch of turmeric with lukewarm milk regularly can do wonders for your body. One of the essentials during home quarantine in summer is to drink plenty of fluids. Nothing beats a glass of plain water. So, it's good to keep yourself hydrated. I hope you liked this video. Thank you.